Hey guys, it's Kevin. Today we're going to take the case of this WF-7720 and we're going to take the scanner off. So we can expose the inside the printer for repair. First is we remove those two screws from the back of the fax cover. And the fax cover is going to come off easily. And then you need a pretty long 6-inch long number 2 Phillips screwdriver to remove this screw. And now take the screws off the scanner hinge. Now we go to the front of the printer and we take this row of screws off. And this screw stays there. And this plate can be taken off now. And now remove those 4 screws and the LCD panel can be taken off. There will be a FFC cable connected to the LCD panel and you can just disconnect it. And also there will be a ground wire goes into the printer. Now take your camera and took a couple pictures of your motherboard. Because you need to disconnect all those cables from the scanner. And I took a couple of them, so if you have a problem, put your wires back and just refer to these pictures. And I also try to document which wire I pulled. If you have a problem putting them back, you cannot find where it is. It's normally color-coded. So, for example, the yellow plug goes to yellow slot. I know you think, Jesus, there's no way I can put it back. Don't worry, just go to bchtechnology.com and go to printer parts and install uninstall workflow. You're going to see the workflow or instruction sheet for the motherboard of this printer and download it. It should have color-coded of the wires and all connections. Now we get all the cable freed and we get the FFC cable freed and we can hold it in our hand. And the last thing is we need to take this screw off the ground cables. Once those ground wires are freed and the scanner can be just slide off and now you can just pull the wires out. Remove 2 screws on the scanner's hinge. And on the left side, there's one more screw underneath the hinge. Now use your finger work around the casing and open up the back duplex door will help you to remove the casing. And look down, this panel is secured by 2 screws. Once you take those screws off, you can disconnect the cable on the left. Now you can take the front panel off. Okay, pretty much everything should be pretty accessible now. And we finished uncasing. I hope you enjoyed this video. Visit us at www.bchtechnology.com or locally at Greensboro, North Carolina. Cheers.